bucket time!
Oh, hello! Look, it's the 20th of December. The 20th of December, the number 20. Oh, I think I've got something really nice in my bucket today. Should we go and find out what it is? Okay, let's go. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic. Oh, look. My bucket has the number 20. The number 20 on it. But what's inside? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow! Today's object begins with the letter T. The letter T. And that makes the T sound. T. Can you make that sound? Wow! Fantastic! Yes! T. Now, you get these on special occasions or if you've been really good. Yes, that's right. It's treats. Treats. That reminds me. What treats shall we leave out for Santa? Shall we work together and find the perfect treat for Santa?
Wow!
Fantastic. Come on then. Let's go. What treats do you think would be a good idea for Santa? Oh look, there's a big plate of spaghetti. Spaghetti bolognese. Do you think that would be a good treat? I do like spaghetti bolognese. Do you? But the only problem with spaghetti is it might get his suit really dirty. He might spill it all over his beard. Maybe he could have that when he gets home. Oh, look! How about this? Some candy floss. Do you think Santa would like some candy floss? Oh, I do like candy floss, but sometimes it can get a little bit sticky and it might get stuck all in his beard. Oh, how about some cookies? A plate of yummy chocolate chip cookies. Oh, I think this is the best treat. Yes, Santa, we're going to leave you some nice chocolate chip cookies. But Santa's going to be very thirsty. He needs something to go with these cookies. How about a cup of tea? A cup of tea? I like a cup of tea, but the only problem is it might go cold by the time Santa arrives. How about a nice cool drink with ice cubes in it? That would be nice. But the only problem is the ice will melt by the time Santa arrives. And then it'll just be a watery warm drink. Oh look! How about a glass of milk? Oh, they would be perfect with some chocolate chip cookies. What do you think? Okay, so we've got a glass of milk and some chocolate chip cookies. But what about the reindeer? What are they going to eat? Do you think the reindeer might like a hot dog? I don't think reindeer eat hot dogs, do you? Oh, how about a pineapple? A nice juicy pineapple. I don't think Santa will have time to cut it all up and get rid of all the prickly bits ready for his reindeer to eat. Oh, look, how about some carrots? Some nice crunchy carrots. I think reindeer like carrots, do you? I think we found the perfect treats. Some cookies, chocolate chip, nice glass of milk to wash it all down with, and to keep the reindeer happy, some nice crunchy carrots. Fantastic! We did it! We found the perfect treat for Santa! Great job! Oh look! Today's number is the number 20. The number 20. When 2 and 0 stand together, they make 20. Oh wow, look over there. I can see some candy canes. Can you? But how many are there? Okay, there's only one way to find out. We're going to have to count them. Are you ready? Counting brains on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 candy canes! Wow, look! Today's number is the number 20. Wow, fantastic!
Chocolate chip cookies and a glass of milk ready for Santa. A little note just to let him know that these are for him. Oh, I think he's going to enjoy these. A glass of milk and his cookies. I think we've made the right choice. And I really hope the reindeer enjoy their carrots. Fantastic!
It's time for Santa's treats to go back in my bucket, just in time for, yes, that's right, Christmas. In they go, the milk and the cookies and the carrots. But I wonder what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow. I can't wait to find out. I'll see you then. Bye guys, bye!
Remember, you're fantastic!